Headquartered in Langley Research Park in Hampton, Virginia, Pressure Systems is the preeminent worldwide supplier of pressure scanning and data acquisition equipment for aerospace vehicle and propulsion research, and a rapidly growing provider of submersible level transducers to the environmental and municipal water management industry. We have developed this video to give you a realistic job preview of specific job functions at our facility. Over the next few minutes, this video will tell you, the job seeker, information about each position and what Pressure Systems expects from you. There are many different job tasks, including populating circuit boards, soldering wires to connectors to make cables, mounting pressure chips to substrates, gold wire bonding, molding and potting, TIG welding, machining quartz, and laser engraving.
The one downside to it, it can be repetitious, because again, it's assembly work. So he's basically doing the same thing. That's one of the downsides.
The Transducer Assembly Department manufactures pressure transducers for municipal and environmental water level measurement applications and counts the U.S. Geological Survey among its many customers.
If you're a self-motivated individual, there's plenty of work for you, steady work, and it's exciting. You know, if you have an electronics background, this is the place to be.
The System Scanner Assembly Department manufactures pressure scanners, data acquisition units, and product accessories for aerospace research and is the primary supplier of this type of equipment to NASA, Boeing, GE, and other international aerodynamics research facilities.
Well, it takes a lot of patience, and you gotta watch what you're doing, pay good attention to what you're doing, because each carrier that you do changes.
The Precision Assembly Department produces an ultra-high accuracy pressure transducer for oceanographic and photolithography applications where extraordinary performance is required.
It's much smaller and more intricate than I've ever worked with in the past. But it's very interesting, and I'm always learning new things, and I almost feel like at least every week, or sometimes almost a few days a week, I'll learn something new that I didn't know before.
It's kind of like a family type atmosphere. It's small, it's real flexible. Being that it is small though, it takes a little longer to get things done that you need, that's kind of out of your control. That may get done quicker on a larger company.
Machining is done on CNC lathes, mills, and drilling machines, and manual drill presses. Machinists are responsible for their own setups, operating the machines, and performing SPC quality checks. Some machinists are also trained to do CNC programming. Along with the machining operation, there may be several post-machining hand operations, such as deburring, sanding, buffing, engraving, and part cleaning.
It's a very good company to work for. They work with you. If something comes up and you can't come in, it's not a problem. They're very good about that. Everybody works well together for the most part. Everybody gets along, and we run pretty smooth back there.
Opportunities in various administrative positions of sales, finance, design engineering, manufacturing engineering, quality assurance, human resources, and logistics are also available. In return for the employee's diligence and hard work, we have adopted a promote from within approach whenever possible.
They really see not really what's on the paper of your resume, but what that person can bring to the job force as themselves. They see what's inside. They're not going to set you down and just because you're in production, that's where you're going to be. They're very optimistic and open-minded about the true potential of any person.
As part of our commitment to family and quality of life, full-time employees are offered a medical and dental plan and an employee assistance program, a 401k plan, a life insurance and disability plan, an employee stock purchase plan, tuition reimbursement, paid holidays and leave, and a 4.5-day work week. Pressure Systems offers a unique opportunity to access large company resources such as benefits, training programs, and career advancement while working in a small company family atmosphere. If you're interested, think you have what it takes to be successful and have the drive to further your experience and skills, contact our Human Resources representative or visit PressureSystems.com for more information.